Hello friends, welcome back to yet another Premiere Pro tutorial video inside text. So for this I have just imported a video inside our Premiere Pro software and this is that video. We're gonna make this video just appear inside a text. It's cool. Let's see how to make this cool effect. Just go to the tools bar in the left side and select the T button, which is the text button. So once you click on that, you will be able to type a text on the video. So I'm just typing our channel name. So we have made some alignment and the text is above the video. Let me extend the duration. So now move to the effects tab and search as KEY, key. There you will have an option called as track matte key. Just drag and drop this effect on the first video, the base video that is going to be played inside the text. Let me trim it first. So once you have dropped it, you will have the effect in the effects control panel. Just click on the video and go to the effects control panel. You will have the track matte key effect. There will be a drop down to select the video layer. Since the text is available in the video 2 layer, just select the video 2 in the drop down. Boom! That's it guys, you have the video just being played inside the text. That's a cool effect, right? So now let's see how we can make text of different sizes inside which the video plays. So for that I'm just typing different text. So while you create new text, make sure that you are clicking on the base text layer so that all the text is being inside that single layer. So I will just show it to you now. Just click on the text track and click the T button, that is the text tool, and now type a new text. Now you will have all the three text inside that single text track. And also the video is playing inside the text. Now you can just adjust the text font or size with the help of the FX control tab. So yes guys, that's it for this video. You can just try out this cool effect in your videos. If you like this video, do hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, do hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified whenever I make a video. We'll meet you in another video. Until then, it's your Kario signing off.